The Panama Canal is a testament to human ingenuity. It is a 51-mile-long waterway that slices through the Isthmus of Panama, connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. This marvel of engineering has redefined global trade and transportation since its opening in 1914. Before its creation, ships had to navigate around the treacherous Cape Horn at the southern tip of South America, adding thousands of miles to their journeys. The canal's impact on global trade is undeniable. It has shortened shipping routes, reduced transportation costs, and facilitated the movement of goods and people between the two oceans. The canal has also had a significant impact on Panama itself, transforming the country into a global hub for trade and logistics. The dream of a canal across the Isthmus of Panama is centuries old. Spanish explorers, recognizing the strategic importance of such a passage, first proposed the idea in the 16th century. However, the technological challenges and the harsh conditions of the region made the project seem impossible for centuries. In the 19th century, French engineer Ferdinand de Lesseps, known for his successful construction of the Suez Canal, took on the challenge of building the Panama Canal. However, his efforts were met with devastating setbacks. Tropical diseases like malaria and yellow fever ravaged his workforce, and the project faced significant financial difficulties. Ultimately, the French attempt was abandoned in 1894. In 1904, the United States, under the leadership of President Theodore Roosevelt, took over the project. The Americans benefited from advancements in engineering, a better understanding of tropical diseases, and improved equipment. They tackled the formidable task of excavating vast amounts of earth, constructing massive concrete locks, and damming rivers to create artificial lakes. The most challenging aspect of the project was the excavation of the Culebra Cut, a 9-mile-long channel through the Continental Divide. This involved removing millions of cubic yards of earth and rock, a monumental feat of engineering for its time. Despite the challenges, the American team persevered, and on August 15, 1914, the Panama Canal officially opened. The Panama Canal is not simply a channel dug through the earth. It is a complex system of locks, dams, and artificial lakes that work together to raise and lower ships as they traverse the isthmus. The canal utilizes a system of gravity-fed locks, essentially water elevators, to lift ships from sea level to the elevation of Gatun Lake, 85 feet above sea level. Ships enter a lock chamber and the gates are closed behind them. Water is then pumped into the chamber, slowly raising the ship to the level of the next chamber. This process is repeated until the ship reaches Gatun Lake. On the other side, the process is reversed, lowering the ship back to sea level. The Panama Canal quickly became a vital artery for global trade. It significantly reduced travel times and shipping costs, connecting major ports in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. The canal facilitated the transport of a wide range of goods, including agricultural products, manufactured goods, raw materials, and oil. The canal has had a profound impact on global trade patterns. It has opened up new markets, stimulated economic growth, and strengthened ties between countries. The canal has also played a significant role in international relations, serving as a strategic waterway for both commercial and military vessels. As global trade continued to grow, so did the size of cargo ships. By the early 21st century, the Panama Canal was facing a capacity challenge. Many modern ships, known as Neo-Panamax vessels, were too large to fit through the original locks. To address this challenge, Panama embarked on a major expansion project. Completed in 2016, the expansion included the construction of a new set of locks, wider and deeper than the original ones. These new locks can accommodate the larger Neo-Panamax ships, ensuring the canal's continued relevance in the 21st century. Despite its engineering marvel, the Panama Canal faces challenges. One significant concern is the canal's dependence on fresh water. The locks require vast amounts of water for each ship's passage, and this water is drawn from the surrounding rainforest. Climate change and deforestation pose threats to the canal's water supply. Reduced rainfall and increased sedimentation in the watershed could impact the canal's operation. The Panama Canal Authority is actively exploring water-saving measures and alternative water sources to ensure the canal's long-term sustainability. The Panama Canal also faces competition from other shipping routes. The Suez Canal, connecting the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea, is a major competitor for trade between Europe and Asia. Additionally, the potential for Arctic shipping routes to open up due to melting ice caps could further challenge the Panama Canal's dominance. To remain competitive, the Panama Canal Authority is focused on modernization and efficiency. This includes implementing new technologies, optimizing traffic flow, and ensuring the highest safety standards. The canal's strategic location and continued investment in its infrastructure will likely ensure its continued importance for global trade. The Panama Canal stands as a testament to human ingenuity, determination, and the power of collaboration. It is a symbol of our ability to overcome formidable challenges and reshape our world through engineering marvels. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, the Panama Canal serves as a reminder of the importance of innovation and our interconnectedness in a globalized world. The canal's legacy extends beyond its economic impact. It stands as a symbol of human ambition, international cooperation, and our enduring quest to connect our world and facilitate the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures.